Hi, I'm Jared, and I'm going to impersonate 100 characters in 5 minutes or less starting now.
Oh boy, let's go to Disney World.
Oh boy, Mickey, that sounds fun.
Hakuna Matata's a wonderful phrase, kid. I think it's still alive. What are you telling him, Mufasa?
This is my family.
Tigers are wonderful things. This is worse than the time I went back to the future. That's not tout, you fool. That's paprika. Oh, Dad, I just want to draw.
Giggity giggity, I ain't never been with a Spanish chick before. Ole, giggity goo. Prices were so low, it was ridiculous.
Sam, I love you.
Nom nom nom, we love cookies.
It's not easy being green. Kirby, do you think that I'm beautiful?
Furzy, bork, bork, bork. Me. It's cute and lovable, Grover. I'm going to go change them, okay? 64 slices of American cheese.
I had a cat named Snowball. She died.
Hey, kids.
Laura, let's date.
It's Saturday Night Live. Well, thank you very much. You see, the dinosaurs, they're, and then you cook the souffle for 6 hours. Whoa, the Matrix is totally, whoa. I love alien women. Warp 9. I'll be back. Oh, sole mio. This is the greatest game I have ever seen. This is your lucky day, Pilgrim. I am not a crook. Whitewater, well, I sure do love rafting. They keep misunderestimating me. And now for a brief history of time.
Oh, man, I'm off, I can't refuse.
Number 1, warp factor 12. I played the fool that messed with the A-team.
He didn't nudge you, he rubbed you. And rubbing, son, that's racing.
Lucy, I'm home, Babaloo. If I could be a vegetable, I'd be a carrot. You remind me of Babar, king of the elephants. It's time to read some emails.
I'm too sad to write a haiku.
Great job out there, Homestar.
Let's go shopping for fashion.
You are jealous of my sandwich.
Jake, step away from my computer. Not the calories that get you. It's the saturated fats.
I'm not wearing a mask. Right away, Chief. I'm always on duty.
Yeah, hey, hello, Mr. Ranger, sir.
Right, George. I'm cooler for Cocoa Puffs. That's pretty cool. I am Cornholio.
We're gonna score.
Golly, Brian, what are we gonna do tonight? What are you searching for, an ogre? Sure, take me with you. Come on, man. Please.
Hola, soy Dora. We need your help. What are we gonna do now, Bullwinkle?
I don't know, Rocky. We're certainly in a pickle.
We've done it, Natasha. We catch Squirtle and Moose.
It's me, Mario. I know a kitty who's sleeping with Mommy tonight.
A wizard is never late. Frodo Baggins.
Master is my friend. You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
Ooh, I love you.
Bonnie, I love you too.
I've got mail, yay! I've got mail, yay!
I see you.
Leave!
I thought I saw a putty cat. What's up, Doc?
Oh, goody, the Illudium Q-36 explosive space modulator.
Powerful Jedi was your father. Powerful Jedi. Do what must be done, Lord Vader. Do not hesitate. Show no mercy.
Ooh, you're a bomb-bat Jedi. We shall no like the Naboo.
Eat me sandwich.
You thick little monkey. Go back to your doghouse.
But I want to meet Muddy Mud Skipper.
Cosmo, let's work our magic. Hey, y'all, let's go to the beach, SpongeBob.
One day I will rule the world. What happened to all me money?
I'm going to go play my clarinet.
SpongeBob, let's go jellyfishing.
Die! That'll be great!